Today's ticket, Windows Error Code 0x80004005. Also known as the unspecified error, this is one of the most frustrating Windows errors because it doesn't tell you exactly what's wrong. Let's solve it together. What does this error mean? Error 0x80004005 is a generic Windows error. It simply means something failed, but Windows can't identify the exact cause. You may see it while installing software, accessing shared folders, running Windows Update, joining a domain, or changing system settings. Before fixing anything, think like an IT professional. Ask yourself, did this start after a Windows update? Is the problem affecting one computer or multiple devices? Is your antivirus blocking the operation? Do you have enough free disk space? Are you using an administrator account? The answers to these questions help narrow down the possible causes. Now, let's troubleshoot it step by step. First, open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc//SCANNOW. This command scans Windows system files and repairs corrupted files automatically. If the problem continues, run these DISM commands to repair the Windows image. Start with Check Health, then Scan Health, and finally Restore Health. These tools repair the operating system itself when important Windows components become damaged. If the error still appears, reset the Windows Update components. Stop the update services, rename the software distribution and catroot 2 folders, then restart the services. This clears damaged update files and allows Windows to create new ones. Next, check the Windows registry only if you know what you're doing. Corrupted registry entries can trigger error 0x80004005, so always create a system restore point before making any changes. Finally, restart your computer and repeat the same action that generated the error. If everything works normally, congratulations, you've solved the problem. If the error continues, it's time to escalate the ticket for deeper investigation. Let's prevent this from happening again. Keep Windows and your drivers updated. Maintain enough free disk space. Keep your antivirus properly configured. Avoid modifying the registry unless necessary. And always create a restore point before making major system changes. That's how a real help desk technician approaches Windows Error Code 0x80004005. Remember, troubleshooting isn't about guessing. It's about asking the right questions, following a logical process, and solving the problem one step at a time. Follow IT step by step for more real troubleshooting guides, one error code at a time.